Hey friends, I hope this is clear in my last video why we should have carbohydrates, because carbohydrates is the main source of our energy for our body. So if somebody tells you next time don't eat carbohydrates in your weight loss journey or because you are diabetic, just shut them off. Carbohydrates is the main source of our body's energy. Whenever you eat carbohydrate, it converts into glucose, and glucose is get absorbed by the cells of the body, or it gets stored as glycogen in muscles. So it's the main source of your energy. So even if you don't eat carbohydrates, your body needs carbohydrates. Your essential organs like brain, red blood cells, everything needs carbohydrates, because everything needs glucose, and glucose comes from what? It comes from carbohydrates. But you should know when to eat carbohydrates, why to eat carbohydrates, and how much to eat carbohydrates, and what should be avoided. You shouldn't avoid, but when to eat is very important, why to eat is very important, how much to eat is very important, so that you don't make the mistakes. So when to eat, especially before workout or after workout. If you are eating before workout, your workout will be very good, because your muscles main source of energy is glucose, and glucose comes from carbs. So you can hit your workouts very nicely if you have if you have carbohydrate at least an hour before your workout. Or if you didn't have time, at least have carbohydrates after your workout, so that your glycogen levels after workouts gets depleted, so that you can restore or replenish your glycogen level after your workout. So have carbohydrates, whether simple or complex. Simple can be you can have simple carbohydrates like rice, white breads, white pasta. All this comes under simple carbohydrates. You can have around, anybody can have, especially only the diabetic people should avoid simple carbs. They should opt for complex carbs like oats, brown rice, millets, whole grains, and all this they can opt. And if you are not a diabetic or a pre-diabetic patient, you can aram se have simple carbs. But if you are a diabetic, you can have it around complex carbs. And how much to have, that is very important. Like, don't overeat. What's the problem is that people tend to overeat carbohydrates. Like, if you're on a fat loss journey, have carbohydrates, but 2 to 4 grams of your body weight. If you're on a maintenance, have 4 to 6 gram of carbohydrates per kg of your body weight. And if you're on a maintenance, or if you want to bulk, then have 6 to 8 grams of carbohydrates per kilo of your body weight. So the everybody should have, but the goal depends on how much you should have on your depending on your journey. If you're on fat loss, it's different. If you're on maintenance, and if you're on gaining, it's different. But everybody should have. When to have is very important. You should have before workout and after workout, or after workout. Try having carbohydrates, your heavy meals after, at late night dinner, for dinner. Don't have heavy carbohydrates at dinner. You can skip that. But you should have little bit of carbohydrates even at dinner, because your body needs, because you sleep but your body is still functioning, doing the essential works, cleansing, detoxing. All this happen at late night when you are sleeping. So for that also your body needs carbohydrates. Your brain needs carbohydrates, your RBC needs carbohydrates. And if you quit carbohydrates for a very long period of time, you will feel very fatigued, very tired, and all your cravings will subsequently come back, and you will start eating more after some time. So now we know when to eat, why to eat, and how much to eat. So that is the purpose of my video. I hope it's clear.